With ever-tightening ADRs, it's getting harder and harder to bolt on really cool accessories to your 4x4 without going over your GVM. Well, the Rival bumper is the ultimate solution for your front end. Designed as a full bumper replacement, the Rival bumper means that you can simply unbolt your factory bar and pop it on in its place. Precision designed to line up perfectly with OE design elements. Each bar comes with a steel subframe designed to house up to a 12,000 pound winch. The bumpers also include a position in the front to mount up your included Adr Compliant Fog Lights. Every bar comes with a full wing kit, as well as every nut and bolt that you're going to need to bolt it up to your 4x4. Rival is proud that they've crash tested every single bumper here in Australia at a NADA approved crash test facility. So why don't you grab a Rival bumper for your 4x4 and get it bolted up this weekend.